Hey there, homeowners! Are you tired of your old, boring TV setup that just doesn't cut it anymore? Do you find yourself endlessly scrolling through channels with nothing exciting to watch? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Are you ready to transform your TV into the ultimate home entertainment hub? Imagine having access to a world of entertainment right at your fingertips, all from the comfort of your living room. Look no further than the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD. This compact yet powerful device is designed to revolutionize the way you experience television. This little gadget will unlock your TV's full potential with affordable HD streaming at the press of a button. Say goodbye to pixelated images and hello to crystal clear high-definition viewing. Setting it up is a breeze. No need to be a tech wizard or spend hours reading complicated manuals. Just plug it into your TV's HDMI port and you're ready to stream. It's as simple as that. No fuss, no hassle. That's it. No complicated installations or messy cables. But it gets better. Imagine a clutter-free entertainment area where everything is neat and organized. With the voice remote featuring Alexa, you can control not just your entertainment but your entire smart home. Just speak, and Alexa will do the rest. Imagine dimming the lights, checking the weather, or even seeing who's at your front door, all from the comfort of your couch. It's like having a personal assistant right in your living room. And let's talk content. With the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD, you have access to an endless library of entertainment options. With over 700,000 movies and shows available from popular services and free apps like Tubi and Pluto TV, you'll never run out of things to watch. Whether you're into the latest blockbuster movies, binge-worthy TV series, or classic films, there's something for everyone. You'll never run out of things to watch. Gather your family for a cozy movie night or enjoy a solo binge-watching session. Want to catch the latest live TV, sports, or news? The Amazon Fire TV Stick HD has got you covered. You can do that too, for free, with a variety of apps. But wait, there's more. The versatility of this device is truly remarkable. This device is incredibly portable. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, making it perfect for travel. Take it anywhere. Plug it into any TV and enjoy your content on the go. Whether you're on vacation, visiting friends, or staying in a hotel, your entertainment goes with you. Whether you're at a friend's house or a hotel room, your favorite shows and movies are right there with you. No more missing out on your favorite series while you're away from home. And unlike those bulky cable boxes, the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD is easy to set up and doesn't require expensive subscriptions. Say goodbye to high monthly bills and hello to affordable streaming. It's a smarter, more flexible way to stream. Customize your viewing experience to suit your preferences and enjoy the freedom to watch what you want, when you want. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your TV experience. Get yours today and experience smarter streaming. Your TV will thank you, and so will your family. Your TV will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Happy streaming!